I'm hearing that we have high call volume from customers. Several departments are reporting problems. What's going on?
The CSRs are fielding phone calls as fast as they can. The calls are balance inquiries and questions about transactions that customers are seeing in their internet banking accounts.
How is this impacting customer service?
Placing customers on hold until someone can assist them. Haven't checked on the wait times, but I know the volume is increasing.
Are we seeing a pattern in the questions about transactions?
Mostly double posting of transactions, some corrections. In some instances, customers are being charged fees due to double postings. We're also seeing instances where we don't recognize the transaction code. We called the core processing service provider. They have not responded.
When did this start?
The head teller said the teller platform went offline about 9:30 this morning. We can perform transactions, but the account balance isn't current.
Do we know if there is a problem at the core processing service provider?
Not that I know of. They did a major update over the weekend. They didn't indicate there were problems.
Have you noticed any problems?
Some difficulty reconciling activity on the e-banking system and one of the correspondent bank accounts. We called the e-banking service provider. Haven't heard back.
Do we have people that can help with incoming phone calls?
Not without affecting other departments. It would also take time to get them up to speed on what to tell customers.
Just got off the phone with the core application service provider. They activated their emergency communications plan. Seems there was a problem with the weekend update. They tried to do a rollback, but the rollback failed. They're taking the core application system offline while they work on a fix. For now, the teller platform can operate in offline mode for several days if necessary. The service provider will update us when they have a plan to identify and correct transaction errors. In the meantime, they've asked that we don't make any correcting entries.
The CSRs have been making correcting entries as they find errors all morning.
Sorry to interrupt. I thought you'd want to hear about my last call. A customer could see transactions on the e-banking system that we can't see on our system. Right now, we can't verify the account balance or answer questions about transactions. They don't show up on our system.